Yoga means to unite. According to Indian philosophy, the goal of human life is to attain God. In this modern life, it is very difficult to keep our body healthy. Imagination of beautiful and healthy life needs the practices of yoga. To practice yoga, make sure that before performing asanas, you should warm up your body. Asana, tree pose asana. Lift your right leg and fold it, aligning it with left leg. Lift both your arms above your head. Keeping them straight, join your hands together and hold position. Garuda Asana. Stand erect with feet together. Now lift your right leg and wrap it around your left leg like a vine wraps around a tree. Now lift and wrap your right arm around your left arm. Alternate this tree pose with fingers interlocked. Tighten your toes and keep them 10 cm apart. Now straighten your arms towards sky and interlock your fingers like combing. Now turn your palms outward so that inside of hand is facing the sky. Now shift your weight on your toes and lift your ankles. Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose. Sit on the ground on your knees. Join the toes of your feet and turn your ankles outward and sit on your lower legs. Keep your hands on your knees. Padmasana. Fold your right leg and place it on left leg. Right ankle should touch the hip junction of left leg. Similarly, fold your left leg and place the left ankle at the hip junction of right leg.
Bhujangasana. Start with Makarasana. Now, join the legs and place your palms beside the chest and elbows close to the body. Inhale. Slowly lift the head and chest up to the navel region with the help of spinal muscles. Maintain the final position for 3 to 10 breaths. Shavasana. Continue in supine position with arms and legs comfortably placed apart from the trunk on the ground. Palms facing upward. Keep the eyes closed. Consciously relax the whole body. Become aware of natural flow of breath. It will tend to become slow. Remain in the position until you feel refreshed and relaxed.
Lie down on your back. Bend your legs and place your feet near your buttocks, flat on the ground. Place your hands just above your shoulders with your palms flat on the ground. Raise your body on your palms and feet to form a circle. Hold your body in this position.
Shitali Pranayam. Sitting in any comfortable position, place the hand on the knees in Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes. Now, roll up the tongue and shape it as a tube. Inhale maximum through the tongue. Take the tongue inside the mouth and close the mouth. Then slowly exhale through the nostrils. Bhramari Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep your spine comfortably erect. Close the eyes with index fingers, mouth with ring and small fingers, and ears from respective thumbs. This is also called Shanmukhi Mudra. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale slowly in a controlled manner, making a deep, humming sound.
Today we are going to explain you the Siddhkari Pranayama. You close your teeth and you touch your teeth with your tongue. So when I'm doing the same, I would close my teeth together and I touch my tongue with the teeth and I take my breath through mouth. So this way it will be. And then you close your mouth. You open your chin lock and then you release your breath.
ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ
अष्टांग योग 8 अंग है उसके। तो सबसे पहला अंग है यम, दूसरा है नियम, तीसरा है आसन, देन फोर्थ इज प्राणायाम, पांचवा है प्रत्याहार, देन धारणा, देन ध्यान, देन समाधि। यम, when you know it very well, that when you begin the things correctly, then it's going to take you.
फाउंडेशन इज सेट.
The first step has to be correct, no? So the first step is in yama is ahimsa, non-violence. Second step is satya in yama. झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो भाई? Face the world. आपको बिजनेस नहीं ठीक चल रहा है, नहीं ठीक चल रहा है. Why want to show that बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है? You know, make believe. आप फेल हो गए तो फेल हो गए, फेस इट. लोग हंसेंगे 2 दिन, फिर वापस ठीक हो जाएगा. Then third is asteya, not stealing somebody's property or not stealing somebody's ideas and opinions and all that. You have your own. There. Brahmacharya, fourth yama, that you have control over your senses, that wrong desire or negative thing. ये नहीं करना है, मतलब उस पर भी कंट्रोल लाना है. और वो चौथा है. फिफ्थ है अपरिग्रह, होर्डिंग. मेरा मेरा लेके पकड़ के बैठ जाऊं, कुछ मेरा नहीं है. आप आए थे खाली हाथ जाओगे, क्या संभाल रहे हो? तो ये हो गया अपरिग्रह. सेकंड इज नियम. नियम में आप अपने साथ संबंध जोड़ रहे हो. तो नियम भी 5 हैं. सबसे पहला नियम है क्लेनलीनेस, शौच. शरीर को बाहर से, अंदर से, विचारों से, सबसे क्लीन रखो. दूसरा है संतोष, इमोशनली. हमारी भावनाओं में हमेशा संतोष होना चाहिए. क्या है उसके प्रति आनंद. थैंक गॉड, काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स और हैप्पी फील करो. और क्या नहीं है उसके लिए मेहनत करो. फोर्स्ड एक्शन, बहुत बोलने की इच्छा है मगर नहीं बोलना है, मौन रखेंगे, इसको कहते हैं तप. कोई चीज़ बहुत पसंद आ गई, मुझे वो तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, उसको हटा दो. उसके बिना भी हैप्पीली जीना सीखो, उसको कहते हैं तप. फिर चौथा है स्वाध्याय, सेल्फ स्टडी. एंड स्टडी, इंक्रीज मोर नॉलेज एंड स्टडी. जरा अपने आप की स्टडी करो. स्व अध्ययन, स्वाध्याय, अपना आदमी. ये 5th स्टेप है ईश्वर प्रणिधान, रिजाइन टू द विल ऑफ द एब्सोल्यूट. सो आसन. And then comes your energy level, that prana which you deal with, because without energy no action is possible. So try and see that you manage your energy level, with that managing your mind, and that is pranayama. Then comes all the sensory organs which are taking you continuously external. So your eyes are showing you the world, ears are making you to hear the world.
Which takes away most of our energy.
Which takes away most of our energy. You are here and there, everywhere. So now you have to learn to control that energy. You have to bring all those things inward. Pratyahara, prati-aru, all the senses are inwards, as the external world is within also. And then the inwards journey begins. First of all, concentration, that is dharana. And then comes dhyan, meditation, and then comes samadhi, one with the higher reality, or becoming one with everything. And so that is samadhi. So very systematically these 8 steps are put.